Assalamualaikum. A very good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. So I believe today we can finish all the class by today, for all the online station. Okay. So today we will learn two topics. First in the morning, reason loss and fault terminal. So I will elaborate you one by one. Okay. Next we will do the world tracer loss and found property. So reason loss and fault terminal. Okay, FS, fault station. The fault station element contains 3 letter IATA airport code of the station that has been determined to be responsible for the mishandling. The fault station FS code must be a valid active management station for that carrier. That's why yesterday if we study about the Denpasar case from Manila, we cannot update as a Honolulu or Guam or San Francisco fault station. Okay, you can see the fault station code must be a valid active management station for that carrier. Okay, that's why we have to put Manila, the active station for Malaysia Airlines for that carrier, and also the first uplift and next station. Okay. Later on, we will do the appropriate claim with the other airline that 100% fault. Okay. RL. The RL element contain the IATA or user two numeric reason for loss mishandling code. Okay, it may contain the IATA or user. Okay, because IATA if the other airline that did not have any reason loss, that airline will follow the IATA reason loss. Okay. If that airline they do have the reason loss, so you have to follow that airline, because Malaysia Airlines they have their own reason loss. Some the reason loss, example for IATA, this example. Malaysia Airlines MCT minimum cognitive time is 75. Perhaps maybe IATA is 77. Okay, this is different. Okay, some airline the code is different. Okay, we will see later. Okay. So in case if you handling Malaysia Airlines, for the airline reason loss, you have to use the Malaysia Airlines own code for reason loss. If you handling Vietnam Airlines, okay, so in Danang they have to use Vietnam Airlines own reason loss. They cannot use Malaysia Airlines for Vietnam Airlines reason loss. Okay. FS, RL, or FT contained in AHL DPR. Okay, FT is a fault terminal, it's depend. You can see better. FT, the R element contain the fault detail in conjunction with the RL to identify a specific reason of loss for the baggage mishandling. Okay, so this one more detail. That's why they put FT01, meaning 01 direct flight, FT02 transit, FT03, FT04. They have the specific reason. Later we will see on the FSRL code. The FS, RL, and FT have been made mandatory to be entered when completing the following transaction. Okay, this is mandatory. When we want to close a delete break, it's mandatory to put for session RL and FT. Okay, so you cannot simply close the file. Okay, yes, you can close the file, but you have to put the correct FSRL. Okay. Or in case you are in doubt, okay, you don't know which one, okay, you in doubt, at least although you put the wrong RL, at least it was, the nearest, okay, or maybe same as it's not, maybe you put the wrong FS, of course, sorry, the wrong reason loss, but at least the result loss is makes sense, although you put. Don't simply, if the tackless luggage, you put baggage behind the BHS, very far. It's contradicting. Next, when we want to do the create damage and verify, is mandatory to put FSRL. Okay. So when you close the FSRL already there, you don't need to put the FSRL because already in the file. Okay. So before we create a DPR, mandatory to update the FSRL. Okay. Next, when we do the forwarding message, okay, forwarding message, okay, mandatory to put FSRL in the forwarding advice. Okay. FS, RL, and FT cannot be changed or deleted. This confidential element can only be changed or deleted by CBGO with the use of the AAH password. Okay. Okay, this is the primary code for RL, primary code. RL10 for tagging error. So if you see 10 meaning all about tagging, okay? Okay. Wrong tagging, tagging not clear, blur, tagging, cross tagging, whatever tagging, all about tagging. Number 10. So remember 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 to 19, all tagging error. Next, we have RL20. Okay, next we have short ship error, RL20. Okay, before I proceed, if you open the WordPress, come back to WordPress, okay, to the system. If you open the system, okay, training. If you already have the password, maybe the other station they already have the password, the live production password. You can check the RL in this area. Okay. For the training, I didn't have any still training mode. Okay, might be you. Okay, so this under training mode. Okay, training mode. Okay, you scroll down at administration here. Okay, you go to airline handler. Then you go to reason for loss. Okay. So this is a training code. It's not accurate. Just for the training purpose only. So there's you can find here at 10. Here they give you this is the training and this one. Okay, this is the live production. For the live production later, when you have the password, okay, you want to check the reason loss. Okay, you go to which one? Station or airline handler. Mana satu?
Station.
Airline handler. Not station. Okay. Okay, we go to airline handler. You can see here reason loss. Okay, you click reason loss. Yeah. So you can see they give a primary. Okay, until 19. So if you want to check, you can click here. You want to check 10, you click 10 to 19. What is 10 to 19? Okay. Okay. You will see will be the same as our slide. Okay. So it goes specific. I see not properly tag or glue FT in bracket. You have to put FT01. Not placed in baggage tab. Okay, reserve for station code RL number 11 FT02. Okay. Because 11 they have one. They have two reason loss for 11. Not properly tag or glue. And not placed in the baggage tab. So if we put FT01, we know is about the tagging or glue. So all here. If you want to check the 20, you click this here. Okay, that's we want to check. Okay, if you didn't print anything at your office or you didn't have any slide, you may refer to the work tracer desktop. You go to the airline handler, then we click reason loss. Okay, this one for Malaysia Airline. We also can check for the other airline as well. Just in case. I want to check. They have a Vietnam airline. Okay, we go and I click VN. We can check. Update. So it will show you the RL for Vietnam. So if you handle the Vietnam airline, you refer to this to their own. Okay, very simple. Now, or you want to check for QF. Click QF dan klik update. Okay. I believe same. Air India. You see, most of them is same because they use the IATA. Okay. That's how we check for the other airline. Okay. Also for Malaysia Airline. Okay. Come back to the slide here. Okay, RL30 belong to loading error. Usually mistake done by RAM. RL30 mostly done by RAM at the aircraft side. RL20 mostly done by conveyor side. Okay. When you do the makeup or the building makeup area at the chute, okay, when the baggage come out from the storage or from the system, go to any chute at any airport. So suddenly the bag they forget to put in a container or trolley or left behind in that chute. Okay. Next, we have loading error, usually done by the RAM. Okay, it's supposed to load it to Singapore, they send the luggage to Da Nang. Okay, or they put in the wrong container. All loaded in the cargo area. Next, we have RL40, arrival error. Arrival error usually mistake done by RAM or by MLO, by baggage office staff, or by conveyor. Okay. We will go further later. Next, we have transfer error. Okay, this one usually done by the pack handling or delay team, or maybe conveyor team. Okay. We transfer, okay, passenger aircraft is technical aircraft on ground. Okay. So we able to transfer passenger on the other flight, but we fail to transfer baggage same flight with passenger. And the baggage remain in the old aircraft. So mostly about transfer error. Or passenger they have onward connecting. Okay, baggage was not checked through, so they receive a message from the others from the police station. Baggage was not checked through to final destination. Pre-do necessary to retake the luggage and transfer same flight with passenger. They do receive a message. They have ample time to do it, but they forget to do it. So it's under transfer error. Message have been relayed to the station to transfer, but they fail. Okay. That's why passenger come mengamuk. You said they say okay, all been transferred. Don't worry about your luggage. All have been done. Suddenly I come here to KL, my bag not seen at the carousel. So usually the staff at the gate, they give a very sweet. Don't worry, sir. Don't worry. 100% we will transfer your luggage. You just go on board. Okay, no problem. Okay, no, don't worry. My staff are doing it now. Your staff go there somewhere smoking. Don't late 30 minutes. How can I do the transfer? When you come to the station or to Lost and Found, then passenger get angry. It's very common. We call that, we point to others. We tai chi to the others. Next, we have error by other carrier, and error by the other carrier is involved third party. This is mostly happen in KL. RL70 is miscellaneous. RL80 is damaged. This one and 90 pre-phrase. 80 and 90 solid for damage and pre-phrase report. Okay. For mishandle 10 to 70. Okay. Can see badly baggage. I don't know what happened to this luggage on the tarmac. Here is, you see, you can see this one. What happened? So many tags. So many tags sticker. We don't know where is the exact location of last destination for passenger. Baggage drop from the CPL trolley you. Okay. For all courtesy report, fine. Okay. If you do the courtesy report, regardless whatever the courtesy, okay, HDQ case. Port station should be HDQ, RL78, port terminal 00. Okay. So you keep in your mind for HDQ, no need to think to check the RL, FSRL. Just put FS HDQ RL78, Fort Terminal 00. Simple. Okay? Don't call me, WhatsApp me, email me, sir. This is a courtesy report. I don't know, I'm very pening. What the FSRL. Okay. No need to think. FSRL for courtesy report is HDQ RL78, Port Terminal 00. Okay. And also for courtesy report for damage, port station HDQ, RL80 for the damage, port terminal 00, 90 for pre-freeze, okay? You just trade, okay? Port courtesy, just this one. Okay. If you wrongly create the file or duplicate the file, okay? Port station will be XXX RL000, Fort Terminal 000, okay? FS XXX RL00 and FT00 is applied for file with ring and RCB transaction, okay? This one, I think you very rare. This one is all done by CBTO, okay? When they want to read or RCB the file, they will do that. Okay, what meaning is the read, ma'am? Read, they change to the example if you made wrong, supposed to create K, cool and H. But you by mistake you had create the cool BA. Okay. So you want to change from cool MH to cool B. Sorry, from cool BA to cool MH file. So you have to refer with CPTO. They will do the transition that we call RIP. RCB is they transfer the file from station to HDQ. Is on the unclaimed luggage or FLZ baggage. Yeah? Okay. This is we will go by one for the RL. Number 10 is tagging error. We go to tagging error. Code 10. Okay, for RL11, reason loss 11, Fort Terminal 01, tagging error. PHS is unable to capture the backtag data due to error made by the checking counter, whereby the backtag is not properly glued all together and all baggage tag not printed clearly. Root cause baggage tag is not being sticked properly, resulting on difficulty to read the barcode, unclear printing of baggage tag. Okay. Okay. If we see the baggage, the example, we not properly. I think you have to properly tag the luggage. They have a line behind there, so you have to put together. And also, if unclear printing of baggage tag. So this one unclear baggage printing. If you want to dispute, you say it's not my mistake because is not a human mistake because the printer is not clear. The problem with the printer, not the staff. You are wrong. Why? Because before you go to work, before you come to your workstation, you have to check all your equipment, all your property, all the thing in front of you is working. Okay. Is the printer is the problem, you have to inform IT team or whatever relevant party to rectify that the problem. Okay. Same as you at ramp driver. Before you take a tractor or bus or tractor or lorry or any transport, you have to check the brake. You have to check the tire, right? You have to check all the safety. Is anything happen to you? So it means you have to do the 360 check. If fail to check, is the responsible is fall to you. Okay.
Kiosk.
Kiosk, they have they have stuff in the kiosk. They have to make sure the printing is properly. I mean the the baggage tag is is properly. In case if there is something wrong, it's still we credit to the staff because he have to check first. Okay, he have to be there to check all the kiosk or the SSBD, still responsible go to the checking counter staff. Okay. So they have to make sure all the item, all the property or equipment is work properly, yeah, before you start your job. Okay. Okay. Number 2, RL11 Fort Terminal 02. Joining improper packaging item and or all size baggage found stock cost not placed in baggage staff before introduced into the baggage handling system or BHS, resulting the baggage and other bag found stuck somewhere in the BHS and left behind. Okay. So all the odd size baggage, okay, or some blanket, okay, if you see from Dhaka, usually in out from Dhaka or in KL, it's not in also in KL, you can see in Dubai airport and the rest whereby they have Bangladeshi workers working. You can see a lot of them, they wrap the baggage with the blanket. Yeah. So it look odd. So all these items either you put in the oversized or you have to put inside the tub. Okay. Or something very small luggage. Example like Diva, they like to bring the makeup baggage. They got small makeup baggage. Not very big, so you have to put inside the tub. Okay. Or maybe baggage backpack. Have to put inside the tub because they got a banyak tali, strap or whatsoever. Also this kind of luggage, they got strap, small, you have to put inside the tub. Is a normal bag, no need to put inside the tub. Okay. But some airport, okay, I think KLIA, they all put in the tub. Checking counter semua tak kat tub. Yang odd size. Okay. But some airport all have to put inside the tub. Depend. RL12 Port Terminal 01. Okay. Not check to find the destination according to confirm passenger booking or PNR. Not apply for separate contract booking. Okay. Baggage is not being checked through to final destination as per passenger booking PNR, despite booking conforming to MAB policy. Okay. Example like this. Passenger, they have all the way baggage check to Penang. Okay. From MH1 London Cool. Then MH2675, this is a dummy flight only, to Cool to Penang, all confirm, HK1, confirm. But some stupid stuff in London after last night, go party, coming in the morning, working, still blur, boost already. So, okay, sir, have a nice flight to Penang. Okay, so we already check your straight to Penang, but it just print out baggage tag up to Cool only, Okay. So this one is, if this happen, we put RL12, not check to final destination. According to PAX PNR, Fort Terminal should put as 01. Okay. Next. Tagging error. Okay. check to final destination. Two separate contract booking. If two separate contract booking, check-in is not allowed to check through If two separate contract or booking, check-in is not allowed to check through until to final destination of the second contract or booking. At transit, passenger need to collect his or her baggage and recheck-in again. Okay. This one, passenger, they have only two separate booking. So you have to check until Kuala Lumpur only, okay? Not to Perth, because when they scan the luggage at the conveyor side, it will read there's some error, so they will have to offload the luggage. Definitely, they will put the error on the Penang station. Why you check through the luggage, passenger, based on because the single booking is only to Penang, to KL. Okay, passenger, they have two separate booking. In case this passenger arrive at your station, what you have to do? Are you reject passenger report? Or you say come back later lah. We got the luggage, we call you. Okay. This one, if you can see passenger, this is passenger error. Okay. Sometimes passenger they want to what we call that? They are very smart, so they don't want to pay excess baggage. Okay? So they only pay excess baggage from Penang to Kuala Lumpur, but from Kuala Lumpur to Perth is more longer and more expensive. So they just go straight and they just left the luggage at they want to collect luggage check. When they arrive in Perth, they just make a scenario. Okay, they blame. Okay, no, your staff supposed to check why you left my luggage in Penang. My booking. Then you check, and you have to separate booking. So in case like we have to explain to me, sir, sorry, we can make a report for you, but it's a courtesy report. It's not Malaysian airline error. You fail to collect the luggage in the air. So we will do the courtesy report. We will not bear any cost. Okay, passenger cannot claim with us, although he's not non-resident. Also, he cannot claim with us. We didn't provide the delivery. So this is your mistake. We sorry. We can do the courtesy report. You have to come and collect. Otherwise, and before you want to come and collect, you have to pay the excess baggage first. Okay. Kau ada dalam sistem. Semua dalam sistem admin. Okay. Some passenger they will do. Okay, they want don't want to pay excess baggage. They didn't collect the luggage. When they arrive at the final destination, they do the drama, K-pop drama, okay, Bollywood drama, Malaysian drama or drama they do. Okay. So you at the station, when you want to raise a report, you can do the courtesy report. Okay, if passenger cannot control, don't do any report. Just let go lah. We try to calm him down by make a drama. So then we just not threaten lah. We cycle back to passenger. Okay, sorry sir, you want to make a report or no? If you don't want to make a report, you can go out from my office. Okay. Janganlah, don't. Okay, we have to be courtesy to passenger. Sometimes in our heart. Okay. Okay. RL14. Check to different destination and different flight number. This definitely check-in agent staff. Check-in agent only take a normal or LRT baggage check to different destination and flight number other than stated in the passenger PNR booking. KKC passenger MH11432 Penang KL. Until Penang KL only. No other flight. Your staff check through from Penang to Kota Kinabalu because of Kinabalu. So this one mistake done by agent staff. Okay, checking number. So maybe during peak hour, very busy time, you can queue up, queue 100, 200 people in front of you, queue up. So you feel very anxious. That's why you tend to make a mistake during that time. Staff in checking counter. So my advice, anything you have to be composed and calm. Okay. Sama juga at the MLO. Kalau queue panjang tu jangan kelang kabut. Relax. Kita pegang nombor tu, queue number tu key. So settle one by one. If your mind of your otak tu tak boleh nak kecap, tak boleh nak apa? Take slowly. Okay? Jangan slow sangat. Okay? Slow sangat aku terajam pun. Yes, we can raise the custody report. Example, if a baggage was split booking, okay, it's error by passenger, but courtesy-wise, we have to get the luggage. Okay, in case there's nothing involved as a baggage, okay, we can do the courtesy report. So, but we have to explain that it's not our mistake, it's your fault. Okay, you fail to collect. Example, passenger from low cost carrier, it's happened a lot. When you're taking Asia, different terminal, come to KL, take international flight with Malaysia Airlines, arrive at Calcutta, arrive at Hyderabad, arrive at Danang. I thought my luggage check through semua. Okay, I thought my luggage was checked through, sir. We don't have any agreement with low cost carrier, so we can do a report. So, but you have to wait. Okay. Anything, if we receive the luggage, I'll pass you to come and collect, and you cannot claim. Okay. In case it's involved as a baggage, with Malaysia Airlines, check through. Okay, baggage not check through. We can do the courtesy report as well, but until you pay the payment, then we can, then that station can send the luggage to the passenger. Then we can send the luggage to that station until you pay the excess baggage. If involved excess baggage, okay, we can do the courtesy report. Okay, better we do the courtesy report. Number 14, Fort Terminal 02, take wrong destination, but right flight number, or wrong flight number, but right destination, vice versa. Okay, correct flight number, but wrong destination. Okay, example, this one, MA 2638. Okay, 2638 supposed to be PKI. Okay. Kota Kinabalu, 263 is Kota Kinabalu, but the staff wrongly update Sandakan. Destination Sandakan, flight number is valid, is exist, but the wrong destination. Okay. Same go to this one. Okay. Sometimes the right flight number, but the wrong destination, vice versa. Okay, this is under RL 14, Port Terminal 02. Okay, next RL 15. Okay, tagging error, Port Terminal 01, wrong baggage label. Okay, tag switch. Check-in agent mistakenly apply the wrong bag label when accepting baggage at check-in counter across tag. Like this, passenger in front of you Sandakan. Number 2 is Kota Kinabalu. Okay. Both come and check with you. Suddenly, Sandakan baggage, you put Kota Kinabalu baggage tag. Passenger behind is Kota Kinabalu. Passenger get the Sandakan baggage tag. Okay. Like this. To BKI instead of Sandakan, to Sandakan instead of BKI. It happened. Okay. It happened in KL. It happened. I don't know. Same other station. It happened. Okay. Okay, number 10, tagging error RL15, same as just now, but for terminal 02. Baggage not tagged. Tag this due to only tag to other baggage. Hold, number 2. Baggage, they have 2 luggage. Check it. Both tag you put in the one baggage. Second baggage, you didn't put any tag. Then both luggage, you click the button or gone to the system. Okay. Oh, when you come, check you. Okay, you go to part, you tekan, you push the button, you forget to tag the luggage. Baggage tagless, huh? That's 2 scenario. Yeah. Okay. One scenario, passenger they have 2 luggage, both tag you put in one pieces or the first one luggage, or the second one. The next luggage you forget to put the tag. When both after that you just push into the system. The next scenario, you forget to put the baggage tag at all. Okay, you print out the baggage tag, you chatting with passenger in front of you is a model. It's universe, huh? Okay, so you see passenger, you fall in love, then you forget to take the luggage, huh? Net baggage received too late from checking counter. Huh? Late acceptance of baggage using normal bag tag from checking counter and conveyor unable to load the baggage to intended flight. Final entry should include entry exit time taken from terminal to terminal or point to point. So check-in close 1 hour before. Okay? You accept the luggage 59 minutes. Okay. If you late check-in, you have to issue LRT tag. Okay. But if you issue a normal tag and the bag miss, okay, the flight, okay, and the bag miss the flight, so they will credit to the checking counter. Okay, this scenario. If we issue the LRT tag, okay, passenger have to sign. Anything happen to passenger baggage, we not responsible because passenger is late check-in. If the bag mishandled, we do the report, but under courtesy report. Passenger have to come and collect. Okay, we will not provide delivery. We will not issue, i.e., if passenger. Okay, but if passenger late check-in, but you issue a normal tag, so passenger entitled for any claim, because we have issued a normal tag, meaning we agree with contract with the passenger. Okay. Kalau late check-in, you have to issue limited release tag, LRT. So passenger have to sign the tag. Anything happen, the airline will not responsible to passenger baggage. Okay? Faham? Okay. So if passenger late check-in, do not issue normal tag. Issue limited release tag. That's the baggage tag. Copy of the baggage tag there. Small portion to they have passenger have to sign. If you issue limited release tag, but passenger not sign, the contract is not there. I mean, it's automatic cancel. So whenever you issue the limited release, passenger have to sign. Mandatory to sign. If you issue the limited release tag but not signed by passenger, meaning passenger is not agree with the term and condition. So the term and condition automatically is cancel. So passenger they can claim make a normal claim, although we issue limited release but not signed. So make sure advise our staff whenever you issue limited release, passenger have to sign the limited. I mean the LRT tag. Okay. 17. 17. All tag not removed, resulting confusion to identify the actual tag by loader. Also, cargo everywhere sticker not removed. Okay. This one, okay, example, all tag cargo AWB. AWB apa dia? You know what is AWB? Tak tahu cakap je lah, tak tahu. Apa dia? Apa dia AWB tu? Okay, AWB is AWB lah. AWB is the tag for all the cargo. Cargo item check-in by cargo side. Sometimes, okay, when they use the old box or whatever, old tag not remove. Example, can see a lot of tag. You know where passenger going? When we don't know where this passenger going. Or the old AWB lah. So checking counter, make sure all the old tag has been removed, and at the box or the back there's no AWB number, because passenger is taking a normal bag. So macam Shopee, Lazada, everything ni. This one ni. Barcode this one kena buang RL18 local baggage for terminal 01. Local baggage data BSM not update in the check-in system or data wrongly update in check-in system, or wrong baggage data enter, resulting bag not authorized to load. Bag tag data is not updated into baggage sort manager BSM, resulting a bag or not authorized to be loaded into attended flight. Okay, so checking counter they have to update all the tag number in the check-in system. So they will link with the baggage system, baggage data system. If the checking counter they fail to update, it will not, when they arrive at that airport, when they wanted to scan, they say not authorized to load, because they issue the tag number, but they fail to update all the data inside the system. Number 19, baggage check through on low-cost carrier on airline where departure is not the same terminal, even if not LCC. Check-in agent at the origin station check through bag with connection on carrier where maybe do not have any agreement with low-cost airline. Example, we at Malaysia Airline at the station, passenger they have connecting flight to Denpasar, but with AirAsia. You at the station, example from Sydney, Sydney cool to Denpasar. Sydney go passenger Malaysia Airline, but cool to Denpasar penetrate the AirAsia. And the staff in Sydney they check through the luggage to Denpasar with AK. Definitely the bag will start in KLIA because they are different terminal. Okay. Passenger when arrive in Denpasar, AirAsia will reject the report. Definitely AirAsia will not entertain the passenger. Then passenger come to our desk in the Denpasar, right? So you give me the answer. You at the station, at Denpasar station, did you raise any report to passenger? So you will do the courtesy report, right? Why you do the courtesy report? Because it's our mistake. We have to do the normal report. Why? Staff at Sydney have okay. Staff at Sydney already ever registered. You just collect the luggage in Denpasar. You don't worry about it. So because of the wrong info, the wrong action by Sydney staff, example, not Sydney lah, example, Riwa. So okay, Edwin ada dengan marah. So Sydney Because that one we have to create a report and we have to deliver the luggage to passenger. Okay. It's not my mistake. It's your airline mistake. You fail to inform me. Okay? If I know something like this, I will not check the luggage straight. I will collect the luggage at KLIA. Understand? Okay. If you want to do the courtesy report, also no problem. If passenger do know his right, then fine, okay lah. Passenger do not, okay lah, my mistake lah, okay, I collect. It's okay. In case passenger, they are demanding, so we have to order, you do the courtesy report, but we have to deliver the luggage to the passenger. Sometimes passenger will get the compensation. In case you take, sir, courtesy report, so if you are unsure, you will just advise passenger to refer customer care. If passenger want to claim the incidental expenses. Okay. That's why they have a RL19. If we reject the report, definitely we don't have this RL because we don't want to proceed with the report. We have to do, still have to do the report. So make sure we have to know. Sometimes in Singapore also they have a different, they few low cost carrier. I come across some cases they check through the luggage to Singapore with airline departing at KLIA too. What airline? So sometimes we go to Europe, we check the luggage straight to London, but the flight is operating at different airports. Or the flight is the low cost carrier, like what airline in Europe. So make sure checking staff, you have to know. Okay. Any low cost. Asia is low cost carrier in KL, KLIA. So if any flight, then you have to collect. Malindo OD. Batik Air is a premium airline. Is operating at KLIA 1. So some airlines, some we have the agreement. Some we have, I think we have an agreement with Malindo. Okay. Malindo you can check through. Okay. Okay, next. Short shipping error. There is a lot of subcon. Number one, 21. Baggage left at station of origin by baggage conveyor, although correctly labeled. Baggage left behind at station. Baggage left at station of origin by baggage conveyor, although correctly labeled. Indeed, it's human error mistake. If left behind due shortage of loader, we have to put Fort Terminal 01. Reason loss 21 Fort Station Cool. If from KL, if this thing happened in Danang, you have to put Fort Station Danang. Okay, DAD, RF21. If because of the shortage of loader, we put 01. Okay. If shortage of equipment, tractor, container, baggage cart, or breakdown in the midst of the activity, we have to put 02. Okay. So next, baggage left behind due to the shortage of certified driver. Okay. So the driver and the conveyor and the apron side, they have to be certified. And they have to have an ADP license. In case some of they have DT5. This morning supposed to have 5 certified driver, but 4 of them didn't show up. Only one. Okay. One person have to cover all area. Okay. So definitely they will have a luggage left behind. So we have to put, in case the shortage of certified driver, we put the Fort Terminal 02. 03. Number 4004 overlook negligent untrained. Okay. So this one definitely stupid. Overlook, negligent, untrained. All the baggage in front of you, you also don't know what to do. So we go to 04. Overlook, negligent. Okay. Next, we have 05, class or service of manpower not assigned by scheduler. Okay. This is usually all these RL we use in KL. Okay, number 6, shortage of manpower or equipment by subcontractor. It is one for our vendor. Vendor failure, equipment provided by the vendor, or shortage of manpower of vendor 06. This one for the airline, for the staff, our staff. Shortage of loader is our staff. Shortage of equipment is belong to our company. Shortage of certified driver, this driver belong to our company. Overlook, negligent, this one also stupid guy, belong to our company. Class or service of manpower, this one belong to our company. Aerodarat of Malaysia Airlines. 06, shortage of manpower equipment by subcontractor, this is our vendor. Okay. That's the difference. Some airlines, some flight was attending by the vendors, some attending by the staff. Okay. 22, baggage left at station of origin by RAM service, although correctable. This just number 21 is mistake by the baggage conveyor. This number 2 mistake done by the RAM service. Shortage of loader, shortage of equipment. Okay, shortage of driver, baggage drop at tarmac from trolley, overlook, negligent, untrained. Okay, you can see 01, shortage of loader, 02, shortage of equipment sector by loader, JCPL and MDL or breakdown in the midst of the activity. Suddenly, when you do the activity at the aircraft side, suddenly the hydraulic burst. Yeah, this one, 02. Number 3, shortage of driver. Supposed to have 2 drivers, you have only 1 driver. Number 4, 04, baggage drop at tarmac from trolley, overlook, negligent, and untrained. Okay. Why baggage drop at tarmac from the trolley? So some stuff we say, okay, this is not my mistake. This is the condition of the road mistake. Okay. Some of them, the road is very bumpy. Okay. That's why we've been drive. Up all the baggage suddenly fall off from the trolley. Still your mistake, not because of the condition. If you know the road is not bumpy, you have to drive slowly. Correct? Still you want to do the rough symmetrical, okay? You want to do the F1, that's why the back drop off, okay? Oh, you have to place the luggage in the trolley properly, okay? Sometimes you put near side to the, you didn't lock the door, the case, that's why the baggage fall off from the trolley, okay? Okay, number 5, class or service of manpower not assigned by scheduler. This one class of service. 06, shortage of manpower equipment by subcontractor. This is happened if by our vendor. Short ship RL23 standby baggage left behind, baggage received from the check-in counter. Standby baggage was not uplifted and left behind because conveyor is receiving the bag leg from check-in. This is standby bag. Baggage standby. Okay, so under 23. Standby baggage ni usually staff lah. Staff of standby. Or they're not sure yet the booking, so they put the bag, they put the baggage aside. Okay. RL24. Gate check baggage left behind, baggage check in at aircraft side. Okay, intercept at gate sector. Okay, but baggage left behind. Sometimes Dhaka flight, baggage have a lot and carry luggage, intercept at the gate, or maybe baby stroller intercept at the gate, but staff fail to put in the aircraft. Okay. This one also human error. It's a communication between gate staff and the ramp. They're supposed to have to communicate. If they fail to do the communication, that's why this baggage left behind. Okay? Ada some, maybe one of them is the deaf. Pada dengar apa orang cakap. This one. So this is a communication between two staff. The issue a lot of misunderstanding because of the unpredictable ease of communication. Fail to communicate resulting error. Not only in the baggage area, also in other area. Fail communication is mean mistake.
So this time you can deliver.
Yeah, this bag we can deliver. Okay. First of all, we reject because of overhand carry. Yeah. Okay. Hand carry. Okay. Depend. If you sign LRT tag, then we need the courtesy. Okay. Short shipping error, RA20, local passenger rerouted but baggage not rerouted. Joining passenger was rerouted but baggage tag was not amended to reflect the new flight. Okay, if passenger decide to change the flight or destination, okay, so in case you don't have any time to transfer passenger, we will reject passenger request. If you accept passenger request, meaning you have a time to transfer passenger baggage, but you fail to transfer the passenger baggage. This one happen on joining KL to Singapore. Passenger decide first you want to 8 o'clock flight. Okay? But you see, okay, they got 7:30 flight. I want to change to the 7:30 flight. Okay, still have the time more than 1 hour. The flight still open, then we change it. But you have to transfer passenger baggage. If you cannot transfer the luggage and passenger insists want to claim for the new flight. So the bag already checked in. You have issued you issue a normal tag, so you can advise passenger to sign the amenity form. Okay, in the amenity form, I think at the check counter there, passenger to have to sign. So anything happen to your luggage, we not responsible. You have to ask passenger to sign and advise the onward station. Okay. So anything happen to passenger luggage, we do the courtesy report. Okay. If you didn't ask passenger to sign, he entitled to do the normal report. Okay, next we have a loading error. We take this one we take until break 11:15. Okay, short break. Okay. Come back at 11:15. Okay, short break 11:15, come back. Thank you.